The Patriots have a new playoff nemesis, the Los Angeles Chargers. Philip Rivers and his bolo tie are on a roll, especially on the road. It's been over a decade since the Pats faced the Bolts in the postseason. Bill Belichick clubs are undefeated against the Chargers in playoff games, with a divisional round win in 2007, followed by an AFC Championship victory the following year. And while this is the Chargers' first playoff appearance since 2013, make no mistake, this team is a force to be reckoned with. LA went a dominating 12-4 in the regular season, and while their road record technically reads 7-1, the Chargers are 8-0 when they've boarded a plane this season, as their one road loss came across town against the LA Rams, plus one of their home wins actually came in London. So, as they just proved in Baltimore, these guys aren't afraid to cross enemy lines. But the Patriots are 8-0 at home this season, so let the games begin.